Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers on a Honda CR-V. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect the windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Now, locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. With the arm held securely, press the small release tab or button on the wiper blade. This will unlock the blade from the arm. Carefully slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. Make sure to support the wiper arm throughout this process to avoid it falling and potentially cracking your windshield. Repeat for the other side. Now, take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade as well. Once both new blades are installed, take a moment to double-check that they are firmly attached and properly seated. Then, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and provide clear, streak-free visibility across your entire windshield. Enjoy your improved view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.